now coming out of the rain, and we've got like a vertical column of dust straight ahead of us. Look how it goes up. See that? Well, we're flushing south. It's straight south, and that's right where, I don't know what that is, but it's right where the pier was supposed to be. Yeah, I know. All right. Go, go, go. Okay, that might be a tornado. That might be a tornado. All right, David says it is a tornado. Okay. That's a tornado. Okay. Are there some tornadoes? Yeah, tornado warning now. Yes, yes, yes. Well, David, the storm just changed all of a sudden. And we saw that shear trying to develop, so we went through the core, went back to Claude, and now we're going south. That's got to be a tornado right there. That's a tornado. I know. Get on south. Get on. Tornado warning. Yep, yep, yep. Alright, we're south of Claude, Highway 207, southbound, looking southwest. There's an updraft flutter. It's some good. Let's feel. That's a tornado on the ground right there. Okay, so are we. We got a good south road, and we're on one of those slick roads, so. No, no, no. No, I'm going 80. I'm going 80, David. But we're on one of those roads that when it gets wet out here, you know how slick it gets. Seems like it's me too. Hey, there's something also going on to the west of it. Oh, there's something else trying to go up to the west. Oh, that's still a tornado right there. Oh, we got another one out here. Hey David, it's possible we have two on the ground right now. Two on the ground. That one's looking to the west, and this one is or south-southwest. Oh yeah. The one to our south is dissipating. We still see the funnel above it though. The one to the west is something new. Man, look at that, Val. Stop. Stop and look at it. Yeah, right here. Okay, the south-southwest is dissipating quickly. The one to the west is increasing. There it is. Yeah, there's another tornado right there. At least the dust is almost all the way down. Yeah, it is. Wow.
It's a dusty one.
That's crazy.
Okay, so yeah, I don't see any roads going that direction. Yeah, that one did dissipate, didn't it? Okay, let me look at radar. Figure this thing out. Okay. So is that?
There is a lot of dust. I think the one to the west, either it's still on the ground or it briefly touched down and raised all that dust. But it definitely touched down earlier. There's a ton of dust in a column right in the middle. The one that was on the ground straight south of us has dissipated, but there is still rotation right there. So there's two areas of rotation with this thing. One straight south of us, about maybe a mile. Another one west of us, about 2 miles. And the one you're looking at right there, that's straight west of us. It's hard to tell if it's on the ground with all that dust, but I think it is.
Look at the east wind. Man, our east winds are really increasing.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this out.
Yeah.
Good night. We just had an inflow gust of 29. Which one are you looking at? Is that west?
Straight west.
Straight west. Straight west. We're back on the road, headed south. It looks like it's beacon west of us at the moment. We're going to keep going south here. I think we're close to a circulation. I think we're real close to a circulation.
Okay. I don't know, that's growing over there. Look at that. Look right here.
Okay, you see something in there?
A lot of dust. Let me look behind us. Don't see anything.
Okay. We just had a 59 gust. Just had a gust of 59. Hey, look over here to the east.
Okay.
We have an east road coming up. We might have to make a decision.
There it is right now.
We need to go east. What do you think?
Yeah, it's showing, like, do you think it's straight north? I mean,
It could be right just barely north of us, but what I'm seeing looks like east. We have outflow,
okay.
light outflow here. I'm thinking it.
Yeah, probably east.
Let's look at it real quick. Whatever it is, we're gonna have to hurry too.
Did you get get a picture of that?